Lamine Yamal doesn't use football just to cook defenders, he silences opposing fans too. His new goal celebration might be the coldest one of the year. Barca faced Villarreal. Rafinha kicked things off with the dive of the season, winning a penalty, then buried a banger from the spot to put Barca ahead. Then Yamal ended the defense's careers, forced a desperate two-footed tackle, and the ref flashed a straight red. From that point on, Villarreal fans turned into a full-time booing choir every time Yamal touched the ball. But that was a big mistake, because Yamal scored, then mocked the entire crowd with a whistleback celebration.